Hey, stupid archer here. So I'm back at it again, and I wanted to show you the finished product of a collaboration with Mr. Polly we have made, which is, in my opinion, the best Black Hunter longbow probably on the internet. If you think you have a better one, please prove me wrong. I would like to see your bow. So, the Black Hunter longbow with custom-made carbon and bamboo limbs. We have a custom-made quiver, which is made out of the stabilized action wood, same like as the Black Hunter risers are. Only thing what is Black Hunter about this bow is the middle part of the riser of the bow. We have beautiful longbow limbs made out of carbon and bamboo with some nice carbon overlays. Hopefully you can see that. This particular model is the Black Hunter version from Top Archery. So Top Archery, they make great products for beginners, and these risers are very good. They have really nice grips. That grip fits very well to my hand, and I love to shoot it. We have made custom-made tips, which they are made out of Makita and carbon, and the quiver, it just looks amazing. I cannot stop watching in this bow. Yeah, I have a custom-made string on it as well from the string whistler. Beautiful performance out of this string. It just fits perfectly to this bow. The bow has 64 inches of overall length, and it's very smooth to draw because the limbs are quite long. The riser would be, I guess, 19 inches. I will blend it somewhere in when I see what the size of the riser was. And Mr. Polly has made custom-made stippling on it as well, so free-handed it. Again, same as my bear bow, Bear Grizzly. This one has as well beautiful stippling on it. Grip is great, and we have finished it with a matte varnish, as the varnish on a Bear Grizzly what we restored. This was this matte varnish is extremely tough varnish and has really nice texture to it. It's a little bit rough and feels quite great. So the couple of shots of the spraying I will put in this video, so you can see the spraying process and the stippling process. It was made just yesterday. Hey. And this will be the first shot with this beautiful bow for me. Probably one of the many shots that I will take this season with this bow, because it performed extremely well. So let's shoot at this little 3D training target and see how it performs. I have tuned some arrows for it. These are 400 grain, 400 spine arrows with 100 grain tips. They fly around 225 feet per second, which is really fast for the longbow, if you ask me. The bow has 54 pounds. No stacking at all to the long limbs, and it is perfectly tuned for me because I shoot 3-finger under. We have made the tiller perfect, that the bow is completely dead in the hand, or when I do my part, when I don't release wrong or something. Beautiful. This bow, it is great addition to my bows. And once more, thank you to Mr. Polly and String Whistler as well for making this happen. This is a great shooting bow. And what else to say about it? Beautiful. It is quick. It is. I'm just over the moon with this performance. Performs very well. And if you want to see me shoot this bow on the parcours, just click a follow and stick around. I'm trying to make more videos, try to engage as much as possible with you, and have fun, go out, shoot, and see you in the next one.